Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do a simple transition from day look to night look. So I don't know, probably take 10-20 minutes. So I just have like a super simple day look on right now, no lashes, just some lip gloss, nothing crazy. So it is going to be light makeup, but it'll be something quick and easy that you can do to transition from a day look like this to night really fast. So I'm going to be using the Zion Hip Dot palette. This is one of my favorites for both day and night looks. And so I'm going to be using this color right here. Let's see what it's called. Vibration. Okay. And put it here. This is not going to be a super heavy look. Okay. So get my mirror. I'm using the camera as a mirror. Not good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And bring it out a little bit. I mean, you don't have to. It's going to look messy. We'll blend it in later. You don't have to, depending on the shape of your eyes, but I like my eyes to look out more, so like that. And then we will add it to the bottom lash line. I'll usually do this if like if I'm at work and then all of a sudden I have to go somewhere after work, like a little event or something. I'll just come home and slap this on really quick. So we're blending that in, up and out. So it's not too much, but yeah, you get the gist. Okay. And then around the edges, I'm gonna go with this Maze. It's like a lighter brown. Oops. Let me get my brush. Okay. Just on the edges. So you're not gonna touch that darker brown that you put, just around the edges. This is gonna help to blend it, make it look more like seamless. On the bottom, not too much. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this, it's like a kind of like a coral peachy color, but it's got shimmer in it. You can use any kind of shimmer you want, honestly, but this will complete the look. And I just get it on the very top. You see how shiny that is? With my finger. And then I'll take a smaller brush to do the bottom, if I can find it. Just like right where your iris is. Right? Is that what it's called? An iris? Pupil, iris? Yeah, you get it. You know, the color of your eye. It's been a long day, folks. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I don't judge you. So, and then we'll just blend in the outer edges of that just a little bit. So it makes your eyes pop just a little bit. Like I said, not too much makeup. And then you'll come in with a liner. You can use liquid, you can use whatever you want. Oops, sorry. I'm just gonna go around the edges and bring it out. It's gonna look messy because I'm gonna go over it with black, and then we'll blend it in. Okay, so then I'm gonna come in with the black, which is not on there, but I could get black from this. This is the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. So I'll be using the black, which is called Fast Lane, and you want to get a real thin brush like that. And just go over your liner, liquid or pencil. This will make it not look so harsh. Go ahead and blend that in with your other brush that you used for the brown. Don't worry guys, it's a work in progress. Okay. And then do the other side. Blend it. Okay, get your curler. Okay. The powder on my lashes, oh my gosh. And then you're just gonna put your mascara on. I'm using this. This is like a LA Girls Double D Double Drama, like cheap mascara, but it works. Oops, okay. Okay, so there you have it with the eyes, and I'm just gonna add some more blush. Oh, actually, let's put some bronzer on. My favorite bronzer is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's like in the color 6676. It's the Muru Butter Bronzer. I don't know, but it smells like coconut or like bananas. Smells good. So I'll just kind of add that there. Just give me some more color. Nose. Yes. It's like the prettiest bronzer I've ever put on. It smells good. Like when I put it on clients, they're like, "Oh my god, this smells so good." And it doesn't have a shimmer to it, but it just has like this really pretty texture. I love it. And then for blush, I've been using this for a while. It's an old palette from Becca, and it's got blushes and bronzer. You can tell this one's like broke, completely gone. But I use this blush here, that color. I don't know what it's called. Don't ask me because it doesn't say. So because you're transitioning into a night look, you know, we'll put more color, like as far as the blush, so you can see the color now, right? I like to put the blush on my nose. I don't know why. I think it looks better, but it all depends on the look that you're going for. You know, to each his own. There are no rules with makeup. Whatever fits your face, but I like to have a little thing going on in the middle and the sides. Maybe a little bit on my chin, like that. Okay, and then we'll put the highlighter. I like the highlighter because it's like a bright pink color. You don't want to be all shiny during the day, but at night you can shine. And then for my nose, I like to put highlighter on my nose. I like to use this really light coppery brown or goldish color, and I'll use a super small brush, like this small, you see it, and just on the tip of my nose. See, boom, all of a sudden you can see my nose better. Some people put it there, but I'm like, I have pores, and if I put it right there, you can see my pores. So I'm like, no, that doesn't work for me, even if I have pore stuff on. So, okay. And then to complete my eyeshadow, I like to get the Jaclyn Hill palette. You can use any bright highlighter, honestly, but I like to use this color here. What color is it called? Enlight. Yeah, either Enlight or Beam. I don't know. But I like to put it right. Let me put it here. Right here. You see how that just like brightens up your eyes? And then go ahead and dab that on your nose. Boom. There you go. Look at that. Right? It's not too much. And if you want, you can put whatever color lipstick on. I'm going to keep this simple. I just got this lip gloss that is freaking amazing. I'm like probably late on this, right? But it's Lime Crime, and I've been using Lime Crime for years, but I've always used their matte lip glosses or lipsticks, and they are like matte. I have not tried their lip glosses yet, so this is my first time trying it, and it is amazing. And it's called Wet Cherry. It smells like cherries, and the color is called Juicy Cherry. So it has more of a shine to it. I'll just like throw this on. Like I said, we're just going kind of simple. Okay, so here it is. This is the quick nighttime look. Transition from day to nighttime look, but also still really simple makeup. So Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.